Hello guys, welcome to Byte Football. In this video, I will be talking about the most important match for the Culers, Barca vs Napoli, second leg of UCL round of 16. The first match, which took place on 26 Feb, ended in a crucial draw for Barcelona, as now they have one away goal in their bag, which I think would be very important in this home match. I'm not very positive that it would take place in Camp Nou due to rising cases of COVID-19 in Catalonia. But still, if it happens there, it would not be the same as the match would be held in closed doors, which I think is a huge disadvantage to Barcelona as the atmosphere changes a lot of results in football. I think I don't have to explain this well as Barca fans have experienced this again and again in recent years. But still, Barca is a huge club in terms of history and titles. So Napoli, as good as it is, would still be anxious about this match. We all know Barca has not been in such a good form in recent times, with almost 6 to 7 of their players out injured and others sent out on loan, shortening their squad depth by a lot. So it would be a very tough encounter for Barcelona, as Gattuso would surely come out as Simeone 2.0 to get Barca out of the UCL and would want his player to be on solid defense for whole 90 minutes and take chances on counters as much as they can. He would park the bus and park it really well. We have seen how Barca have struggled against this strategy due to two reasons. First, they don't have the creative squad they used to have who could find spaces anywhere on the field, with players like Xavi, Iniesta and Neymar gone. Second, they have a very slow defense. Still, they use a very high defensive line. And players like Semedo who are really quick are not good enough with blocking the crosses and tackling. So they are always left strangled in counter attacks. Napoli would surely try to take advantage of these, and in this they would need help of players like Insigne and Mertens who are really good with the ball and can get past players quickly and score or create. And these are still not all the setbacks Barca has to face coming into the match, as their midfield pivot Sergio Busquets and the most aggressive midfielder Arturo Vidal are out suspended, further reducing their squad depth. So this match would solely depend on how good Messi would be on that day, as it has been for a long time now. It has also been rumored that Quique Setien has also decided a role for Messi in the upcoming UCL matches, which I think is the best way to use him. He wants to use his creative midfielders like De Jong and Ricky Puig to get the ball to Messi when he is close to the box so he can score or create. And then the shots he took were not good enough to trouble the keepers. Barca is now in a situation where they definitely need a quick playmaker who can create or score like Dembele. I know there is Ansu Fati available, but he's still very young and I cannot tell what his mentality would be coming into this must-win match. Dembele has also been on the news recently, as it's been going on that he may be there in the squad versus Napoli. But I don't think Setien would want to rush him, as we all know how easily this can prolong his injury. So without further ado, this is my predicted lineup. I think this would be the best way to start with for Barcelona, because in these type of matches you definitely need an experienced squad to start with. We can also see some Barca B players like Monchu and Konrad de la Fuente on the bench who are really good with the ball and if given the chance can have impact on the match. Konrad has also been in a really good form in recent weeks. I have predicted the starting lineup like this because you don't know if the young players, if started, can handle that much pressure or not. And after all the substitutions, the squad might look something like this. In my opinion, at least Ansu Fati and Ricky Puig should be brought in any time between 50th to 60th minute so that they can settle into the match and can have an impact on the match. But this all changes if Dembele gets match fit. Then I would like to see Ansu Fati starting with Suarez and Messi up front, and then Dembele coming on for Fati in 65th to 70th minute and Griezmann replacing Suarez at the similar time gap. This whole match would depend on the rhythm Barca picks on from the start and whether they can control the tempo of the match ahead. Napoli would also try to commit a lot of fouls to break that tempo, because if Barca can settle in, then I think they will fly easily past away Napoli. I would predict the scoreline to be 2-1 or 3-1 to Barca, as I think Napoli would at least score one goal. My guess would be that Messi would also score at least one goal. Anyhow, this would be a very exciting match for all the football fans and a must watch. This would be taking place on 9 August 12:30 am Indian Standard Time. That's all for the video guys. If you watched till now, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such content and transfer talks. I post 2 videos daily, one in English and other in Hindi. You can watch whichever you like better. Also comment your predicted scoreline. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.